Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we got an exciting new item in from none other than the GrtBaldini, and it is a beautiful. Without further ado, let's spin that intro. Welcome! Today we have an exciting new item to unbox. Before we do, I want to state that the opinions expressed in this video are that of my own, and this is not a paid sponsorship. I actually purchased this myself from the Etsy site where Mr. GrtBaldini sells these things. These are amazing, and he has the Misfit mining variety, and this is actually a custom one that I had him make for me, so I'm super excited. It's actually been here for over 2 weeks, but I had a vacation, and then we had the merge happen, and man, just life stuff keeps getting pushed back. But I'm really excited to open this. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and finally it's here. Finally, I get to unveil this beautiful piece of equipment. So let's stop gabbing about it, and let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So as I said, these come from the GrtBaldini, and if you're unfamiliar with the GrtBaldini, he has been one of the long-standing members in the Misfit mining community. He is actually the founder that created the original Misfit mining hanger, GPU hanger, and he has created some other great designs. He has a channel. I'll make sure to post it down in the description, and he is a true craftsman. This isn't somebody that just throws things together. This is what the definition of a craftsman. You should see his setup, man. It's amazing. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and take a look. What's in the box? What's in the box? I didn't get to do the RGB knife, so we'll set that aside. Hopefully we'll get to do some engaging with that guy, but maybe not. So all right, it's nice and gentle. Let's get the box. Get out of here, box. Okay, so first off, that's gonna be my beautiful handmade base for this thing. Let's get some of this packing material out of here. Put a nice little terry cloth in there. I think he mentioned that D Miners was involved with this too, so get that out of here. There is the power supply. We'll set that aside. Now there's a nice little insert that says altered component, so let's take a look at this guy before we actually open and take a look at this. You have been blessed by Baldini DNA. So let's go ahead and check this out. Finally got myself a GrtBaldini logo sticker, so that's amazing. And I've got two of them. I'm gonna put one of these up on the wall. Can't believe it took this long for me to finally get a GrtBaldini sticker. Thank you so much, buddy. I really appreciate that. That'll go great up there. I think I'll put it beside my man New England Crypto. So we'll get that up on the wall. Appreciate you, buddy. Let's set that aside. And now let's go ahead and open. We're gonna open this all up, and then we'll get some close-ups, and then of course we're gonna hook it up and see how beautiful it really is. Hey, I get to use a knife. You know what time it is? RGB knife. Engage. All right, now the video can be complete. All right, so let's open this up. I want to be careful. I don't want to put any scratches on this thing. I'm sure he put a lot of time getting a good finish on it. That is a beautiful base, man. Look at this. It's going to be hard to see from the distance view, but when I get a good close-up of this thing, this is a hand-carved piece of wood base. It has a clear, I think it's almost like a plexiglass clear shape that goes right in the middle. So you've got a piece of wood, you've got a plexiglass piece, another piece of wood. The bottom base has the screws, and then it has a little switch right here, and you have a place for your plug-in. So let's set that aside, and now let's get to the true masterpiece. I don't know which one's more the true masterpiece, the base or the actual logo. Let's set that aside gently. All right, here it is. Woo! Altered component custom plexiglass logo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And this guy sets right in here. I'm super pumped to see what this looks like. And then it lights up. I plug in the power supply, and then he's got some beautiful LEDs in here, and it even has the switch embedded into the base and not like the switch that's just on the power pack. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, this is a true craftsman. This is not made in a store. This is beautiful. This base, you can tell, has been hand done. It has been finished by hand. It's a dark black mahogany color. So this is gonna look so nice. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see how well it'll pick up. And then of course, we'll get the camera and we'll do some good close-up views of this thing too. Let's go ahead and hook it up like, look at this thing. It is a beautiful. He actually has I believe it's a laser etching machine in his shop. And he actually took my logo, my design, and he custom built it all out and then laser engraved it, laser etched it. It's quite gorgeous, and this will be the centerpiece. I believe it'll probably sit right behind me for the rest of my videos, rest of my time, because this is pretty amazing. Hopefully the light's not drowning it out too much. What do you think? Make sure to comment down below. Tell me what you think of this beautiful design. He also makes a really nice Misfit Mining design so that you can get the Misfit Mining logo, or you can get another custom like I did and you upload your image to him, send him your specific logo, your image, and then of course pay whatever it costs. And it's really reasonable for the amount of work that one of these takes by hand. And this is true craftsmanship. So let me get out of the way. Let's go ahead and get the camera and get some good look at this. All right, as you can tell, I got all the lights, normal lights. I only got the single overhead light. That's why we got all the shadow and whatnot. But man, look how much this glows, how pretty this thing looks. Got a little bit of dust on the bottom. Let's clean it, make it super clean. Beautiful. So again, I'll make sure to post links for the Etsy where he is selling these and the Misfit Mining one, and you can get your custom design, and make sure to give some props to Mr. GrtBaldini. Go check out his channel. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe down below, all that fun jazz. And now let's get some beautiful B-roll of this thing. Well, there you have it, a real beautiful item. Thank you to the GrtBaldini. If you're interested in this item, I'll make sure to put links down in the description. If you're new to mining or you need some help, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord. There's always plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.